Hey guys, so I thought I'll do a video on how I laminate my brows. I thought I'll do it on camera and show you guys how I did it. Let's go. So first of all, you want to clean your brows. So I'm using this Caudalie Instant Foam. Oh! So this glue I got from Sally's. It's not much left. So this is the same glue they use for lash perming and lash lifts. I really love this glue. What I would suggest about lifting up your brows at this time, I would do it in sections because this glue dries really fast. So now you want to grab step one. This is the lifting lotion, and you want to spread it out evenly over your brows, and if it gets on your skin, get a dry Q-tip and just clean it up, and now cover it with cling film. So now I've put the lifting lotion on. I'm going to leave it on for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm thinking 8 just because my brows are pretty fine. And yeah, so now 8 minutes is up. I'm just going to take this off. Okay, so I'm going to just take this excess off like so. So now we're going to put on the next solution. So now I'm putting on the setting solution. You're going to want to leave this solution on for about 8 minutes, and again, just evenly cover your brows, and if it gets on the skin, you want to clean it up again. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave this on again for 8 minutes. Okay. Whew. So just want to wipe off. Whoa. How cool. Okay. How cool is that? Hey guys, so that's the video done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you would try it at home as well.